Have you ever wondered what makes rich people different from poor people? Let me ask you something before we begin. If two people start with the same salary, live in the same city, and have access to the same opportunities, why does one of them build wealth over time while the other keeps struggling financially? It's not luck. It's not just hard work. And it's definitely not only about how much money you earn. The real difference lies in how people think about money and how they use the resources they already have. You must have observed that many times the resources available to both rich and poor people can be quite similar. Yet, rich people seem to grow their wealth much more effectively than others. They are able to create more value from the same resources that many people already have but may not fully utilize. Think about it. Two people earn $5,000 a month. One spends first and saves whatever is left. The other invests first and spends what remains. Over time, this small difference creates a massive gap. So what really makes the difference? Actually, there are many factors that shape the difference between the mindset of rich and poor people. These include psychology, order of investment, knowledge, experience, discipline, risk-taking ability, and long-term thinking. Rich people don't just work for money, they make money work for them. They focus on building assets instead of liabilities. They think in terms of growth, compounding, and opportunities rather than limitations. On the other hand, many people remain stuck not because they lack resources, but because they lack the right financial habits and mindset. And that's exactly what we're going to explore. In this channel, we will break down complex financial concepts into simple, practical ideas that you can actually use in your daily life. No complicated jargon, no unrealistic promises, just real strategies that work over time. So here I am. I will share with you the secrets behind the wealth-building habits of successful people, along with practical ways you can apply them in your own life. Hello, my name is Steve, and welcome to Steve's Advice. I'm a chartered accountant with hands-on experience in trading and investing. Through this channel, I aim to share practical insights, real-world strategies, and lessons I've learned along the way. I've seen how small financial decisions can completely change someone's future, and I've also seen how ignoring these decisions can lead to years of struggle. My goal is simple: to help you improve your financial thinking and develop the right money mindset so you can make smarter decisions, grow your wealth, and build a secure future. We'll talk about everything: how to manage your money, how to start investing even with a small amount, how to avoid common financial mistakes, and how to think like someone who builds long-term wealth. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your strategy, this channel will guide you with clear, simple, and actionable content. If you're someone who wants to understand personal finance, investing, and money psychology in a simple and practical way, you're in the right place. And if you stay consistent with what you learn here, I promise you'll start seeing a shift not just in your bank balance, but in the way you think about money. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and join me on this journey towards financial growth and independence.